Hi there, it's George here. Today I will have to repot some plants that I have, and I decided to make a video result after I will tell you what plants. Well, these palm trees are Washingtonia robusta. They need more large container. As you can see, these pots are small and they will develop more. So next are one banana plant. Here, dove, have to give it a bigger pot. Next I have a ficus plant, have to repot too. And here I have epiphyllum that I grew from seed. I have one big one, but these are smaller, and anyway have to give more a big pot to grow more. That's it. And here I have one pineapple that needs to be repotted. As you can see, it's shaking and have to do that, as you can see here. Also I have one banana baby here, which was grow very healthy and thick, but I have to repot and we'll see how to do that, and after that I will show you the results. This Washingtonia robusta, I chose that kind of pot, the same model. As you can see, the size compared to this one, and will stay here 1 year, I guess. Look at the root system, it's a root bond. We should repot more early, but it's not late anyway. Beautiful anyway. And on the second one, next I have to repot epiphyllum, and I chose this pot. Well, I finished, as you can see, and these pots I repotted, and they will grow more big, and I will keep until spring. Then I will repot in more big pots. We'll see. Here, this plant, ficus, which I repotted too, and this pot will grow more tall. This epiphyllum will grow too. Such pot I decided to put it. That's it. And next is that banana plant. Quite big pot for it, but anyway. And the banana plant that I separated from the mother plant. As you can see, the stem is quite thick, the pot is quite big, repotted in it, and the mother plant planted in more small pot because the root system is not very big, and we'll see how it will grow anyway. Well, the pineapple I repotted too, and should grow more big leaves, and we'll see when it will bloom. Now it's beautiful. And as well, this one I have to repot, and in the same pot, and as you can see, should grow more leaves already. It's summer. That's it. And I noticed on this pineapple a baby started to grow here. Well, it will be beautiful. We'll see. And that's all for this video. I like very much this. So beautiful. I will make another video. I have yet to repot some plants, and next week I guess we will see. Thanks for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye bye.